Yes. To our next point, we have la négation. La négation means the negation, when we have to turn an affirmative sentence to a negative sentence. Now, to turn a positive sentence to a negative one, we have this formula. The formula says sujet plus né plus verbe plus pas. Means what? Subject plus né plus verb plus pas. Now, to turn a sentence to a negative sentence, in this moment we need this particle, né and pas. We have the first example. Je ne suis pas à la maison. Je ne suis pas à la maison. Means what? I'm not at home. Ne stands before the the verb. Pas stands after the verb. Je ne suis pas à la maison. Next. Tu ne parles pas français. Tu ne parles pas français. Means what? You do not speak French. Third, we have il n'aime pas le chocolat. Means he doesn't like or love chocolate. Now, because the verb is starting with a vowel, the ne is supposed to be an apostrophe. N apostrophe. We say il n'aime pas le chocolat. We link it together. Il n'aime pas le chocolat. Elle n'est pas gentille. Same thing. The verb is starting with a vowel, so we put an apostrophe. Elle n'est pas gentille. Means she's not kind. Or she's not friendly. Okay?